Welcome. In a short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use trading fee rebate or rebate voucher here on Binance. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, if you're new to Binance or even if you already have an account, you can go and scroll down and check the links below. Click on it and you will enjoy a lifetime 20% fee discount and $100 bonus. And automatically you will have again a 20% fee discount. This is basically a trading fee rebate. Okay. So going back in here under your Binance app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left or the Binance logo. Tap on it. Now go to find more services. Okay. In here, just go to find the rewards hub, which is usually located when you scroll all the way down under gift and campaign right here. Tap on rewards hub. And in here, you'll be able to see all of the tasks that you would need to do. Okay. For example, there will be some vouchers available right here, which is gainable if you do the task. For example, there's one task that needs you to buy or deposit crypto worth at least $10 US. And after that, once you have done the task, you will get a 30 USDC trading fee or trading fee rebate voucher. So once that's done, once you have performed the task, you can go ahead over and go to my vouchers right here. In the list of available vouchers, you can go ahead and tap on use. Okay. Once you tap on use, it is automatic. Okay. You can now go ahead and perform your qualifying trades. Whatever the voucher says, for example, as I've told you earlier, a 30 USDC trading fee. So whenever you do a trade using USDC, the voucher will automatically deduct the trading fee. That's basically it. If you have multiple tasks right here, you can just go ahead and easily do them. Okay, and once done, again, just redeem your vouchers from here. And after that, enjoy trading. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.